My channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the Synthelix AI DePIN airdrop. All right, so it's a new DePIN airdrop that just launched a few days ago, precisely at the 4th. All right, just not up to a week, and it is currently at its testnet beta phase. In addition to that, it is also a DePIN airdrop, and it is worthwhile if we can be able to join into it now that is still early. In addition to that, if you want to get a full detail of all the DePIN airdrops, you can head over to my playlist section on my YouTube channel, where you can be able to see a lot of the DePIN airdrops that you can continue mining. In addition to that, this is solely for mobile. All right, I'm also going to cover this same particular airdrop for those who are using a PC. Not only that, this airdrop is at its testnet, so there isn't much of a Chrome extension that will be used as at the time of recording this video. So it's just a quick airdrop that we can be able to just start mining. All right, so I'm going to show you a complete walkthrough. In addition to that, if you are new here, my name is Odis Profits and I make content about crypto, tech and finance. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel that is linked in the description to get more updates. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is Synthelix, as you already see, Synthelix, as you already seen it. They just clocked, this is 1 day ago, they just clocked 30,000 users on their test nets, as you already seen it right here. This is their post, 9th of April 2025. So it's a DePIN airdrop, and it is going to be mined the same way we are mining DOM Validator, with the same way we are mining NODEPAY, Grass, TENEO protocol, GAEA, Voltix, name them, etc. So every single thing will be done using a MySys browser. So let's just hop into it. But before then, if your MySys browser or your Mrs. browser is not fully updated, you can be able to update it, because there's a slightly change in the interface, and it will aid you, because I update your apps to be able to help you out in mining. All right, so if we click on the link that is showing in the description, it will lead you to the Mrs. browser or your MySys browser, whatever you want to pronounce it, and it is going to open up the Synthelix airdrop dashboard for you. So this is not as other DePIN airdrops that you already know of, in the sense that there is no Chrome extension for this Synthelix. All you just need to do is to be able to firstly connect your wallet. All right, so as you can see, this is the connect wallet section at the top right, next to the hamburger menu or the header in the website. You can be able to go through here. That's click on connect website. Then it will show you a list of other websites that you can be able to connect. So there's MetaMask, Coin98, as well as the Phantom. I normally use Phantom, but you can use an EVM. It doesn't matter. So I can click on my Phantom wallet, and it will tell me open up the Phantom for me to be able to load. Then, mind you, I'm not using the Phantom on the mobile app on the App Store. No, I'm using the Phantom from the extension on the Mrs. browser, the one on the extension on the Mrs. browser. So if you don't have it, toggle it on your Chrome extension so that you can be able to see that one. So it prompted me to put in my password. So I have imputed my password. Then the next will be to be able to sign the message that's confirm the connection on the wallet. So once you are done with that, it will be able to showcase your wallet address at the top right corner. All right, but it needs to be able to sign. Okay, so let's just wait for it to be able to load. These are like the basic steps that you can be able to do. The same thing works if you are actually using an EVM wallet for you to be able to do this thing. All right, the same thing actually works. So this is it. So it's prompting me to confirm the message. I think it's a network lag a little bit. That is the reason why it is a bit slowing down. So I can just press confirm and wait for it to be able to finalize its completely. Okay, so now that our wallet is now confirmed, so as you can see right here, the wallet is now confirmed. I've now earned 20 points as well as 1,000 points to be able to claim. All right, so the next thing that we need to be able to do once we have gotten through this is to be able to start our node connection. That's the first thing that you need to be able to do. So I can just press my start in terms of my node, so it can be able to initiate the node mining. All you just need, since it's a DePIN airdrop, we all know how the game works. It's just basically mining every single day. All right, so your browser needs to be active for you to be able to mine completely. All right, so this is it. So I've started mining already, so it's now 59 days, and as well as the time left for me to be able to continue my mining. Then the next thing that you need to be able to do, this is very crucial, the next thing that you need to be able to do is to go through the hamburger menu, which is right here at the header section. Okay, so here is or the navigation where you can be able to see your rewards, the referrals, Xnode, website, docs if you are looking forward to their documentation, as well as their social media handles. So at the currently we are at the dashboard, which you're already seeing. This is the dashboard here. That's what we have. Then we can go through the reward section. The reward section is the place where you can be able to complete their social task as well as earn multiple rewards more than the one that you already have while you are mining. That is what we are doing right now. So I can just click on it. In order to be able to earn extra rewards, we need to be able to do these tasks. So the first task is to follow Jesse Agent XYZ. That is the first account that you need to be able to follow on X. Every single thing here is on X account. Then the next one is to follow their Synthelix account, that's the official X account, as well as their partnership, that's their X account too. So basically, we need to be able to do this. So once you click on it, you can be able to, it will link you to follow their X account. I'm not going to do them so that it will not waste time for the video. All right, so that is the first thing. In addition to that, once you complete it, there are like 5,000 Synthelix tokens for each. That's approximately 1,500 worth of Synthelix tokens for you to be able to get as your rewards. Also, you can be able to go through the referral section on the particular video. Here you can be able to send out your referral links for people to be able to join in order to get more boosts on your account. That's for you to be able to continue mining. Also, since this thing doesn't have any form of Chrome extension, all you need to be able to do is please do not close the tab. All right, do not close this particular tab. Make sure that it is pinned, all right, on your account. All right, so you can be able to just bookmark it or leave it as it is. So don't close the entire tab since it is part of it. So you can bookmark it right here. I just bookmark mine, all right, so that it is possible for me to be able to come back and check it out whenever I want. All right, so don't close the entire tab. If you close it, it will be difficult for you to be able to come back unless you need to be able to register and relog in with your wallet again. Okay, so if you don't want to go through that hassle, just leave the tab as it is. I have multiple tabs here on my account. So as you're already seeing it, these are like several airdrops that I mine, and I leave them open so that it will be easier for me to be able to come back and continue mining. So basically, the points are earned every 24 hours. That's for you to be able to accumulate your points in terms of claiming. So this is what it is. I already have 17 just right now as just by doing it, and it is time sensitive. Mind you that this is a new airdrop, and if you continue mining it now, you are most certainly going to get extra points when it starts becoming full blown. That is the reason why I try my best to be able to cover these airdrops now that is still early. In addition to that, my name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join Telegram channel that is linked in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.